It is now time to carefully step into the pod and let the relaxation begin. Use the black handle on the lid to pull it closed. You are welcome to have the lid open. However, this may affect the sensory deprivation side of the experience. As you gently lay down, you will immediately begin to float. To the right of your head, there is a green button that controls the light. Simply press once to turn off, and press again to turn the light back on. If you need any assistance during your float, press the red assistance button, which will alert staff that you may require some assistance. Try to avoid touching your face so you don't get any salt water in your eyes. If you do, use the spray bottle full of fresh water and the face towel provided to rinse your face. Lay back and enjoy the full hour of relaxation and bliss, letting go of any worries or stresses of the outside world. When your session is over, a gentle voice will come over the speaker letting you know that your session has ended. Slowly and carefully begin to sit up and exit the pod. We have provided you with body wash, shampoo and conditioner to thoroughly rinse off in the shower after your float to remove all the salt residue. You will also find body lotion, deodorant and white vinegar on the bench for you as well. If you feel like you have any salt in your ears, white vinegar is a great way to help dissolve this. The eco towels we provide are biodegradable and can be washed and reused. Feel free to take your towel home with you after your float session. Once you are changed, make your way out into our relaxation room to enjoy a nice warm tea or cold water before heading back out into reality. Want to take your relaxation to the next level? Add a 30-minute infrared sauna and a 1-hour relaxation or remedial massage to your appointment for 3 hours of absolute heaven.